Namaskar, this is Tanuja Singh and I welcome you all in a special segment of Rebel News India. Today is 5th June and this day is celebrated as World Environment Day across the world every year. As this day puts focus on environment and how it affects human health, so I have come up with a special report on World Environment Day 2020. Have a look on it.
The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. First held in 1974, it has been a flagship campaign for raising awareness on emerging from environmental issues to marine population, human overpopulation, and global warming to sustainable consumption and wildlife crime. The theme of World Environment Day 2020 is Celebrate Biodiversity. With 1 million species facing extinction, there has never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity and will be hosted in Colombia in partnership with Germany. The slogan of Environment Day 2020 is Time for Nature, with a focus on its role in providing the essential infrastructure that supports life on Earth and human development. It is celebrated on 5th June in over 100 countries. This World Environment Day focuses on nature, the foods we eat, the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate that makes our planet habitable all come from nature. The idea is to understand the young people have a role to play in preventing nature for our future.
Gandhiji says the greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Let me show you a report which is coming from the most literate state of our country, which will shake you up and will show you that how exactly we are treating the animals in our country. Have a look on next report.
The most painful goodbyes are the ones that are never said and never explained. Yes, I'm talking about that pregnant elephant who died after when someone fed her a pineapple stuffed with crackers in Kerala's Malappuram. The incident took place on May 27 while the elephant was standing in water, and forest officials said that it died standing in river Velayar after it suffered an injury in its lower jaw. Even then, the animal did not take any solid matter and only took water. It was very weak, so we called a vet. He was of the opinion that it may not possible to revive back, but we'll see what options are available. Later, we were told to observe the animal's behavior.
We won't have a society if we destroy our environment. But very few people understand the value of environment and protect it. Let me introduce to a person who is working hard and contributing a lot to make our environment better. Even small efforts can create impact and encourage others. Sanjay Pandey, who is a retired soldier of Indian Army, is a great example. He has been planting plants and nurturing them for years. After his retirement, he devoted himself to plant and protect the trees and is working hard to save our environment. He has planted thousands of plants in Patna so far. He believes that trees give a lot to we humans, so it's our responsibility to take care of them and preserve them. The whole team of Rebel News India salute this soldier for his noble work.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.